Welcome to Ada Luxury Scoop. Let's pack a 3 bags and 5 balls order for Elishua. Let's see what bag she will get. Number 4, it's a fin. Number 23 is a DD. Number 29. Number 29 is also a DD. Number 28, it's a CC. Number 36 is a Lulu. Last but not least, number 26, it's another DD. We have a lot of DD today. You can choose from these 6 bags. She picked 3 beautiful bags. This is Lulu Madeline in the purple and pink shade. And this is a beautiful purse from Fendi, and is in the color of sky blue. And she also get this 25 bag of CC in the shade of black. Very soft leather. Let's take 5 lucky balls for her. Lulu tumbler. Tiff makeup brush. CC handbag. I don't know if it's called handbag. I mean, it's a bag. It's a bag that you can hold it like this. Please let me know how to call it. Gigi Mini Marmont. Look how adorable. I love this baby pink. VCA bracelet. Gift time. Here comes everything in your order. Thank you so much for your support.